Oh boy, this is beautiful. We are on the Highway 95. Of course, we came from Natural Bridges National Monument heading towards, what was it, Hanksville, Utah. We're on our way to. There's a viewpoint here. Decided to stop in and look. Look at that. There should be the Colorado River down there, I think. We already crossed over that bridge. Hmm. Oh, wow. Yeah, so it looks like right here, looking down. Wouldn't want to go over that ledge right there, though. Yeah, I think that's where it goes straight down into the river. Yeah, searching for hidden wealth. Okay, let's see. In 1883, Navajo Chief Hoskinini led cast height to the canyon below. Height found gold. And he opened a store and post office. After World War II, the town probably swelled to more than 200. Locals said miners had uranium on the cranium. And like so many mining booms, this one eventually went bust. 1964, the rising waters of Lake Powell swallowed up Height, ending forever what dreams of hidden wealth had begun. Today, the surrounding scenery remains a treasure in full view. Huh. There we go. I gotta switch this around to 360. Be in this beautiful place. Ooh, sun's in my eyes. Wow. Wow. Sun's hitting my back. There we go. Okay, from Glen Canyon to Lake Powell. Silver and explorer John People came down the Colorado in 1869. The river's exact course was a mystery. Rumors of waterfalls and whirlpools that could swallow boats whole. Ooh! Arriving the rapids in Cataract Canyon, just north of here. A camp below at the mouth of the Dirty Devil River. 1963, the waters of the Colorado began to rise behind Glen Canyon Dam. Lake Powell was born. Would John Wesley Powell approve? Huh. Anyways, there we go, that's where we are. Utah. Okay, so we have a curious ensemble of wonderful features: carved walls, royal arches, glens, alcove gulches, mounds, and monuments. From which of these features shall we select a name? We decided to call it Glen Canyon. Major John Wesley Powell. Picture. Yeah, live, beautiful. Slowly look around one more time. Okay, here we are. This is in Hanksville, Utah. This is the Whispering Sands Motel. So far, it looks like it's gonna be just us tonight. But already got most of our stuff into the room now, so we're gonna be spending the night. And for tomorrow, we head over towards. Don't know where we're gonna stay tomorrow night yet. Bryce Canyon, somewhere in that vicinity. And tomorrow we'll be driving through Capitol Reef National Park. But anyways, here's our room. You know, not as nice as the place we just stayed at the other night, but it's nice here. There we go. There we are.